Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a beneficiary on Western Union account. To add a beneficiary on Western Union, you will need to follow these quick steps. But before beginning, let me tell you that you cannot directly add beneficiaries like a traditional bank account on Western Union. So let's get started right away. First of all, open a web browser. In the URL box, type in westernunion.com and press enter to visit the official website for Western Union. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down until you see the Contact Us tab under Company. Click on it, and then you will find yourself in this page where you will be able to find the contact information where you can call. Give a call to a contact number displayed on the screen and explain why you need to add a new beneficiary, and they will guide you through the process. So that is the way how you can easily add beneficiary on Western Union. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.